Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for joining me today. The painting you guys are going to see in the video today, it's a very similar background color to one of the videos I posted previously. It is that orangey pink color, but with this one I actually added a little bit more orange and I'm really liking this one too. I'm going to show it to you guys here. It's on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. And instead of doing a Dutch pour down here like I did with the other painting, I did a cloud pour. And I'm really liking that. I wanted to do something very simple and kind of wispy and pretty. Because this color is so saturated and so gorgeous, I didn't want to take away from that. So yeah, I used the background color as well as gold and the cloud mixture to create this really pretty cloud pour design down here. As usual, the colors as well as the formula will be listed in the description box. The cloud formula will be there as well, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.